Lebanon Supreme Judicial Council meeting this Thursday to discuss developments in the port blast investigation. Protests this Thursday outside the Justice Palace after steps were taken to hamstrung the probe this week. The judge investigating the explosion announced on Monday he was resuming his investigation after a 13-month suspension caused by legal complaints and high-level political pressure. The country's top prosecutor protested and filed charges against him. Rawad Taha reports from Beirut.
So what is happening in Lebanon today is very unprecedented. Lebanon is on the brink of the collapse of the entire judicial system. What we have been seeing today is a massive protest happening in front of the Palace of Justice in Beirut, primarily organized by the families of the victims of the Beirut port blast. And this move is supported by a number of opposition parties and parliament members. What has happened exactly is the Lebanon's top prosecutor, Judge Ghassan Awaidat, has ordered the release of all detainees in the port blast probe yesterday, and he has actually took decisions against the lead investigator on the file, Judge Al-Bitar. He even imposed a travel ban on him. Let's go back in time to see the history of this file. This investigation has been stalled here in 2 months due to political pressure coming from Hezbollah and its ally Amal movement, who have worked over time to stall the investigation and stop the work in progress of Judge Tariq Al-Bitar. Earlier this week, Judge Tariq Al-Bitar resumed the investigation after finding a loophole within the judicial system, which allowed him to resume. This mainly has been caused by the efforts he found within the judicial system. And to some extent, there has been great pressure coming from Judge Al-Bitar. He has ordered the release of a number of detainees. However, he also prosecuted the top prosecutor, Judge Awaidat himself, and this led him to take the decisions that he had taken against Judge Bitar.